Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is Cinnamon Bay after Hurricane Irma. You can see this over here used to be a food area. I'm walking from the parking lot. Yeah, this used to be a food area and it's unfortunately closed. But if you're like me, you probably don't care about the food or the... Well, I mean, at the beach, you don't care about the food, but you probably just care about going to the beach. And what does the beach look like? Well, that's what we're about to find out. Walking down the trail, I got my cooler full of goodness. I've got my Sony Alpha. And do not have my drone, because this is not a place where you can fly. It's part of the national park. So didn't bring that. Left it in my boat. So let's see. Coming up on the beach on Cinnamon Bay. Still got trash cans over here, that's good. Pack in and pack out. You see there's like a little maintenance area over here. I think that there used to be, I think it was bathrooms and campgrounds. Yeah, and see all of that is wiped out. Actually over here you can see a little restroom area closed. And then, you know, they used to have a paddleboard rental place up here on the beach. So be curious to see if that's still here. Hold on, gotta switch hands. This cooler's getting heavy with all the Presidente. See, I got Presidente. How to drink on a budget in the USVI. So, let's see. Walking down here. Maybe a little bit of shake because now I got the cooler over my shoulder. Water looks nice. But the stuff that was over here used to be like a rental place for paddleboards and kayaks. It looks like that may be gone. And then this building got wiped out. Whoa. So yeah, pretty much nothing down here now except for the beach. So, you know, bring your own stuff. That's an update, Cinnamon Bay, September of 2019. And again, this is after Hurricane Irma, so you can see still a beautiful beach. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do, to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.